Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. I'm glad you're here. I'm going to do a little experiment today. I did this painting about a week ago. It is totally dry and I intentionally left all of this negative space up on top, but I was out of my, they're called picnicking or PK picnicking. These are the little nettings that I open up and I cover my paintings with. This one is for a smaller 10 by 10 or 10 by 12. I get them on Amazon and I was out of them. They were all being used and so I didn't cover this painting. And you can see a few little buggy marks. Now I lightly sanded the top of this so you see some leftover, bless their hearts, buggies, but the surface is totally smooth. So what I'm going to do is I have some of the paints that I used in this pour here. Let me see if I can remember what they all are. This cup right here, that was just leftover drippings from one of the pours that I had done earlier and I incorporated it into this painting. This is Golden Fluids in the Prussian blue. This right here is a DecoArt Extreme Silver. This right here is some DecoArt Pewter in the metallics. And this is just more of my base coat color, which is Golden Fluids Titanium White. Now, all these paints are mixed with 1 part paint, 1 part Golden GAC 800, 1 part Liquitex pouring medium, and a squirt of Floetrol, and then water if needed. The DecoArt paints are heavier than my Golden Fluid paints, so they took a little bit of water. This is my base coat, which is Golden Fluids Titanium White. So what I'm going to do is, I love the bottom part of this painting. It has a wonderful shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see it, but these bugs mess me up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush paint on some of my base coat, the Golden Fluids Titanium White. And then I'm going to lay my colors down strategically and do kind of like a dry swipe. I'm not flooding my canvas. I'm going to see if I can save the upper part of this painting. And I thought I'd share it with you in case it works, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's give this a go, guys.
So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess. Light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go. Oh, oh. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living messages. Every day now I confess. So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages.